In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily edit a post on Instagram after posting. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then go to your profile. After that, you can tap at any of your pictures, at any of your posts, just like that. And then if you would like to edit that post, all you have to do is just hit at these three dots and then choose edit. That will comes up with that edit mode where you can change a caption for the post. You can write down here any text, you can remove the existing and type in new one. Also, you will be able to tag some people here, edit alt text for an image. If you scroll up for a bit, you will be able to add a location for that post, and once you've done with that, you can hit at done to save the changes. The same about video posts and carousel posts. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.